everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Make a great choice today with the 2009 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, cargo area light, trip odometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.